everyone, today I have a 5-tire shelves. It's a perfect for your garage, for your living room, for your kitchen, pantry. Its capacity 190 libras. Also it has two additional hooks when you can hook some small stuff, some bags or something else. It's very easy to move. It has a wheels has stop. You can easily fix it in one place. It's stable in one place. It has a lot of space to storage different variation of items. I'm highly recommend this. It's a very useful thing in every houses. You will like it.